Have you ever paused to wonder why Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, boasts such a large iron core? Well, you're not alone. Scientists have been pondering over this conundrum for years, and only recently, a new study has provided some intriguing insights. For a long time now, the widely accepted hypothesis to explain Mercury's disproportionately large core was that it was the result of colossal collisions with other celestial bodies. Imagine a cosmic game of billiards, if you will. But this new study dares to challenge that belief. Instead of attributing Mercury's large core to the aftermath of a celestial hit-and-run, researchers propose that the Sun's magnetic field played a more significant role in the distribution of raw materials during the formation of the solar system. This is a game-changing perspective. It implies that the density and iron content of a rocky planet's core are influenced by its proximity to the Sun's magnetic field. So, essentially, the closer a planet is to the Sun, the denser its core. But why does this even matter? Well, the composition of a planet's core is vital for its potential to support life. And as we continue our hunt for life beyond Earth, understanding these planetary dynamics becomes increasingly crucial. This study also underlines the challenge of determining the magnetic properties of stars from Earth-based observations. It's akin to trying to figure out the color of someone's eyes from a mile away, a task that's far from simple. Of course, this is just a theory, and like all theories, it requires further evidence to cement its place in scientific literature. Researchers are now looking to other planetary systems to confirm these findings, and who knows, we might be on the brink of a paradigm shift in our understanding of planetary formation. This is the beauty of space exploration. It's a journey of discovery that constantly pushes the boundaries of our knowledge. So, if you're intrigued by the mysteries of the cosmos and want to stay updated with the latest in space research, science, tech, and AI, consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow space enthusiasts. Remember, knowledge isn't just power, it's a shared journey. So let's embark on this journey together, one video at a time. Thank you for watching.